Here we are again. Thanks Emla Meadows for nominating me for the challenge. I'd like to pay tribute to the people of North Europe who are Russians and mostly Scandinavians, namely Finnish people who have this culture of powering or bathing in ice water. That's where the original culture comes from. So tribute to them, and also tribute to the people who need disadvantaged people who need this help. So I'm trying to contribute something, anything, little thing helps. And I would like to challenge 4 people, 2 males and 2 females. Yeah. First, ladies first, is Nadia Al-Faqih Hassan. He's a percussionist on tour right now, I think, in the Fiji Islands. You hear me, Nadia? And the second is Mila Schiavo, who I used to work with in Brazil, Rio de Janeiro. Mila, tem que fazer isso aqui com a baquete, tá bom? Tá legal, gelado. The third is from Tanzania, filmmaker Sam Kitojo. Challenge for you, mister. And the last but not least is JJ Adamson of Africans in Land TV. Here we go.